Alright guys, since yesterday, gold has been bearish. Since yesterday night precisely, gold has been bearish. And this happened immediately after Trump announced that Israel and Iran are going to have a ceasefire after about 12 days of their war. So usually in the Middle East when there is war, people usually find gold as a safe haven where they invest on. So that actually makes gold to rise sporadically. But instead of gold to rise, immediately after Trump announced that there's going to be a ceasefire, then gold began to drop since yesterday night. And then ever since, investors are finding difficult and so skeptical about the next move of the market, either to buy the market or to sell. And since morning, I've been on the chart, and this is just about 5 p.m. West African time, and the market is just showing a sign, a bullish sign right now. So if you look at the market today, this place I delineated is my point of interest, and then I have a mini trend line at this particular position, and the market has already drop to my point of interest, retrace back, and then mitigate this position before a break of structure. But once here, I have a trend line at this position. So immediately I notice that price reverses and then cross my trend line. I understand that the market is already moving to is already changing its structure. So looking at this particular position, we discover that we have a liquidity pool at this region, and then we also have a break of structure at this area. Now, before the break of structure, immediately I saw this 5 minute candlestick above this trend line. I noticed that the market is going to have a shift in market structure. So I quickly entered the market right from this position. And now the market has already break structure, and then there is a retracement. Now there is possibility of the market retracing to this level, this breaker block. Let me call it this breaker block to this particular level. Now, if you are entering this trade, you can still enter the trade. But what you do is to wait for the price to get to this level, and then you can enter the trade. So this is a bullish setup for anyone that is willing to enter the market. There's an obvious change or shift in market structure. All right, this is my projection for USD, and in case I have any other pair to trade, I will likely update you in the group. But for now, I am going long on Euro, on XAUUSD. Thank you.